Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on car insurance with Progressive, complete guide step by step clearly. To save on car insurance with Progressive, start by visiting their website. Look for the Get a Quote button on the homepage. Clicking this will lead you to enter your zip code. Input your zip code and click Get Started. Next, provide your basic information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Fill in details about your vehicle, including make, model, and year. Specify the type of coverage you want. Progressive will ask about your driving history and any past claims. Be honest about your driving record, as this impacts your premium. After completing the form, review the coverage options provided. Take the time to compare different coverage levels. Consider adjusting your deductibles to see how this affects your premium. Review any discounts that may apply to you. Look for savings opportunities like bundling policies or safe driving discounts. Check if you qualify for any loyalty or multi-policy discounts. Once you've reviewed your options, choose the policy that best fits your needs. If you're satisfied with the quote, proceed to purchase the policy online. After purchasing, download the Progressive app to manage your policy easily. Use the app to access your ID cards and make payments. Regularly review your policy and consider annual checkups for better rates. Stay informed about changes in your situation that could qualify you for additional discounts. By following these steps, you'll be better positioned to save on car insurance with Progressive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.